Hello everyone, I'm Rick with CyberMedics.org and I'm here to talk with you about the vulnerability of accounts if all you're using is a password and login ID to secure them. This article from Google came out here in the last few days. Billions of passwords have been hacked. Check your online accounts now. It's not a matter of if, it is they are coming for you and your money. So first things first, how do you check to see if you have a hacked password? Well, this site, Have I Been Pawned, is a good resource where you can check to see if you have accounts where the password has been part of a data breach. Earlier today, I set up 2 accounts with extremely weak passwords that I suspected had been part of data breaches, and I'll post that one in here. And you can see, yes, it was part of a data breach. So that is one avenue you have to check the passwords. Another one is actually in Google. You can come in here and turn on autofill of passwords. Okay, so you come down here and you put on offer to save passwords. And these are the 2 accounts in CNET that I spoke to you earlier about that I had created today. So it saved the passwords of these 2 accounts. Now once it saves the passwords, you can supposedly do a safety check. You can say check now, and it's supposed to check these passwords. It did. It caught the fact that they're weak. Let's run it again. Sometimes it doesn't display on the screen. There you go. It found the fact that they were weak, but it did not find the fact that they were compromised. And as you can see, this password, these are both passwords that have been part of a data breach. This one was part of 2 data breaches. So I'm not sure how confident you can be in that Google's going to find that your password is part of a data breach. But moving beyond that, what are we going to do? How are we going to protect ourselves? The number one thing that you can do to protect your accounts from hackers here on ZDNet, there is no better way than to use a hardware-based 2-factor authentication. Don't worry if you don't know what that means. It basically is you plug a hardware device in the side of your computer, you go through a registration process, you either use biometrics or just a physical touch, and that is in addition to the password. So unless the hacker is standing next to you or touching your computer or has some sort of way remotely rooted your computer and has actually virtually co-opted your machine, that is a possibility. There's no way that they're going to get your account or get access to your account. I'm not saying it's impossible, it's just you have made it extremely difficult for them. On PC Mag, a password isn't enough to protect your accounts and logins anymore. From Google, attackers can't access your account even if they have your username and password. So that's extremely important that these keys can actually provide that level of security to protect you. What do these keys look like? Here's what they look like. And they basically either plug into your computer or they plug into your telephone. They're authenticated through a process that you use to register the key. There's lots of information out on the web. We are compiling videos on CyberMedics.org to explain how to add this to your email accounts. Please let me know if you have any questions below. I hope this has been helpful. Consider subscribing to the channel and hope you have a great day.